Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. Welcome back in today's video. It's a little bit special because it's an unboxing. If you can see from the box, it's an A6 box, but it's a bag. This is a bag unboxing. So it's from one of my favorite brands, Loewe. And like these kind of unboxings, they just pop up out of nowhere when you least expect it. And that's what like drew me to most of these unboxings, and like pretty much some of the bags in my collection, they just come up on some unexpected times. But yeah, today's video is a Loewe bag unboxing. But before that, I would like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button. And please, while you're at it, please add some comments. So I've actually opened this up, the parcel, so we have more time chatting about the bag. This is it. Okay, let's open the bag up. Okay, wow. Okay, right. Oh my gosh, you guys, okay. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, can you see it? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What are these? Are you serious? You guys, I cannot believe it that she's put these on this bag. I cannot. Oh my god. Is she serious? Did she think I'm a girl? Because you guys, it's probably a bit TMI, but she's put these in here. Did she not even check her bag? Anyway, nothing too offensive, but wow, you guys, I was caught off guard. You guys, this is what it is. That's in her bag. Okay, I know, this is something different for me because I don't use this kind of stuff. But, alright. Okay. I see you, girl. You wanna be prepared, right? On some occasions that you need it. Alright. Well, girl. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's not laugh about that, okay? I'm sure like some of you guys might get offended, but oh my god. That caught me off guard for sure. And there's a Lego as well. Oh my god. Seriously? Alright, so there's some Loewe tags. Okay, yeah, this is... Right, the kingdom? What do you mean? Okay, it says... Loewe Puzzle... whatever. Anyway, I'll let you see that. That's what the tag says. There's no other inclusion in the bag aside from these. I've asked for the dust bag, but it's not available. But you guys, most of the bags that I see, like puzzle bags that's listed on eBay, are fake. But because I know these Loewe puzzle bags, and just from the grain alone, I would know if it's real or not. And especially the lining. Mostly the fake ones have these... It's still the same like herringbone pattern, but it's kind of a shiny fabric. The side is a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. I am impressed. This condition, honey, like, you guys, this wow, this and this. Anyway, okay, so it's got the strap. Oh, ooh, oh, okay. Hold on. Wow. Oh yeah. I have this elephant coin purse from years before. I think just during COVID again. Guys, they are both on the same colorway. It's just that this one is in gold hardware, but these are both in the stone blue color. And did I even show you the bottom? You guys, the bottom. Because Loewe decided to skimp on the bag and remove these fate on the small puzzle bags, but they are still present on the medium and larger sizes. And especially the strap. I prefer this kind of strap than the thinner like strap like this. And I'll just give you guys a bit of a backstory. I was lusting after the Loewe puzzle bag in the 10 size. I asked an ex-friend for who we should not name. I asked her to kindly buy for me a Loewe puzzle bag when she was in Paris. So she did. She bought it from Galeries Lafayette. And I told her, because I know that you would get the tax back, and I told her that we can like have the tax return, and for some reason she decided to say that she cannot that she cannot get the tax return for some reason. Okay, so when I got the bag, I saw it, and I got the Loewe puzzle bag in the small size in the 10, but I got the newer version without the feet, and I was like, okay. So like I was so disappointed because I wanted this bag with the feet. And so to my dismay, I used the bag for a few days, and then I decided that it's not sparking joy, and the leather was quite different too. And then I decided to sell it on eBay. I did lose some money on it. And oh, by the way, some details, some juicy ones. I tried to return it to Loewe in Galeries Lafayette. You guys, I went as far as calling Galeries Lafayette and just to ask them if I could return the bag because I wasn't happy and things like that. But I did ask the sales associate that I spoke with if someone like claimed the tax return. And you guys, I was shook. Your girl was shook because she said, yes, someone did. And my ex-friend said that, yeah, I didn't get it. And so she gave me some presents, I think just to ease out the tension. But I already know, you guys. You don't do that to a friend, right? I know I'm asking for a favor, but this is my money anyway. But then again, I told her like we can split the tax return into half. And she decided to tell a lie, which didn't sit right on me. And so I just stopped talking to her. I ignored her and just, it's money. It's just money too, but I don't like it when people lie in your face. But anyway, so yeah, in the end, I just got the bag in store from Marae in Melbourne, which is a Loewe reseller. But okay, moving on to this bag. Okay, Kenny, I think I've got like this is the fourth puzzle bag if I do ever decide to keep it. But oh my gosh, this stone blue color is not lying because it is stunning. And the condition with this elephant, come on. Come on. And the strap was like, it feels quite new to me. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. This is such a surprise to me, especially with this one. Anyway, you guys, should I keep it or sell it? I got it. It's not the best deal that I've got so far, but I feel like if I pass this up, I would kick myself. I know I got so many puzzle bags now, but still, I just love the puzzle bags. This is my classic Kenny bag that would stay in my collection in like forever. That's why I just keep buying them. But you guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Is this a colorway that resonates with you? Does it speak to you? Alright, I would love to know your thoughts on the comment section down below. Yeah, and that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I miss you so much. And so I will try and keep this momentum going, and I'll see you guys on my next video. You take care. Bye.